How to change video speed in Reelshot. Want to slow down or speed up your footage? Here's how to change video speed in Reelshot on your iPhone. First, open the project on your iPhone and import your video. Tap on the clip in the timeline. Then look for the speed option in the editing menu. Drag the slider to the left for slow motion or to the right for fast motion. Preview the video to check the pacing and make further adjustment if needed. When satisfied, save your video with the new speed applied. Do you prefer dramatic slow-mo or fast action? Tell us in the comments below. Use slow motion for emotional scenes and fast motion for energetic edits. And that's how you can change video speed in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.